Hey, hello, Paulo. I'm going to make you a video to help you to replace the broken lever on your carburetor. I sure am sorry that happened to you. I thought I packed everything very well, but evidently a little rough in transit. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to, first I'm going to show you how to install the unit and how what the sequence of parts are. Alright, you've got lever with the bushing, got a thick spacer, got this lever, got a lock tab, and a nut. I'm going to send you a new lever, new assortment of bushings, and a new lock tab. So it's very straightforward. And I'm duplicating like you have, like your situation where you already have your shaft in place. So you will take your bushing, and these are a press fit. Should not be too tight of a fit. So I just take this socket like this and tap it in. Make sure the lever is up on this little shelf right here. That's it. That's all it has to do. Just enough room to flop around like this. Next, you have your spacer. And the spacer is room so the spring has some place to sit. And you're the lever acts on the pin, on the threaded pin that you have in your lever, right now. So all you're going to do is take and put this on here like this. And I like to have a small tool like this to help put the spring up on here. And what you can do is turn this over like this. And if the spring hasn't already gone onto this side, you make sure the spring fits over the lever like that. So the spring's on the other side of the lever, right here. And then the spring is on top of the spacer. Okay, spring's up there. Everything's together. The lock tab goes in place. And your nut goes in place, and you will have your threaded pin right here adjusting. Again, adjusts the lever so that it sits about like this, and all you want to do is make sure that this operates like this. My butterfly on this side is catching. Let me adjust it. There. So that's all this has to do. Just flop back and forth. And make sure my butterfly is catching. Here, let me tighten it up on this side. There we go. So that's all it has to do. Anyway, now that's how to install it. Now I'm going to go through taking yours apart. There's one I have yet to take apart. What I do is I have an old knife. And what you want to do is come in here and bend over this lock tab. You want to bend this lock tab right here. So we're going to take the knife and I just put it up underneath the lock tab. And get it bent over a little bit, and if need be we take a drift like this. Bend it over a little bit more. This is hard to do, and I'm trying to look through the camera to make sure I have this on camera, and obviously the camera is in the way of me actually doing the work and my feet hitting the camera. Alright, so now take an 11mm wrench, and I usually just hold the butterfly on the other end, and this will be tight but should not be that tight. Okay, that one done, unscrewed, and again the sequence is the nut comes off, the lock tab comes off, and this is usually catching on the lever, but in this instance it came off, so the lever with the spring on it comes off. And we have our spacer washer, and now this is going to be tapped into place. So what I do is this bushing is going to be in there with some friction, a little bit of friction. How much I don't know. So you just take your drift, pound it out, and that's it. The video will take longer than you need. The video takes longer than you will to do the job, but if you have any questions, please ask, and I hope this takes care of your issue, and I'm glad that's the only problem, but I am sorry that it happened to you, and thank you for your consideration. Let's see what else. Oh, I forgot. Obviously, when everything is going back together, you will bend over the lock tab, and to secure things in place. This does not need to be super tight, just snug enough that things don't move around. Thank you.